everything I know. Sunlight streams across my face. Morning finds me in this space, breathing slow and feeling free. Waves of calm wash over me. Something warm inside my chest, like a bird inside its nest, rising soft and floating high, like the clouds across. Recent lights around me now. In this moment I allow joy to bloom and gently sway, like the wind that leads my way. Here I am, here I stay, finding love in every day. Quiet thoughts begin to clear, all the noise just disappears. Simple things that make me smile, make it worth the extra mile. Something warm inside my chest, like a bird inside its nest, rising soft and flowing high, like the clouds across the sky. Peace and light surround me now. In this moment I allow joy to bloom and gently sway, like the wind that leads my way. Here I am, here I stay, finding love in every day. Time moves slow and hearts align. Everything feels warm and bright. I can feel it in the air. Happiness is everywhere. Peace and light surround me now. In this moment I allow joy to bloom and gently sway, like the wind that leads my way. Here I am, here I stay, finding love in every day. Breathe in slow, let it go. You're here with me, just follow. Water soft beneath the skin. Close your eyes, we'll drift. Floating on light, floating on light. Everything's weightless tonight. Floating on light, floating on light. You're safe here in flight. Space expands around your mind. Leave the heavy world behind. Currents warm around your spine. Sink deeper, you're moment, keep floating. Floating on light, floating on light. Everything's weightless tonight. Floating on light, floating on light. You're safe here in flight. Breathe in slow. Let it go, you're floating, floating on light. Sit with me here in the quiet space where nothing moves too fast and time forgets to chase. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Petals fall without a sound. Roots go deep in peaceful ground. You don't have to say a word, just breathe with what you've heard. In the silent garden we can stay. In the silent garden drift away. No rush, no worry, no need to know. In the silent garden let it go. La 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 la. Oh. Moss on stones and morning dew. Every leaf a different hue. Close your eyes and feel the air. Gentle hands, the tangled hair. Nothing here will make demands, just the earth beneath our hands. We can sit until the sun tells us that the day is done. Silent garden we can stay. In the silent garden drift away. No rush, no worry, no need to know. In the silent garden let it go. La la la. Oh, oh. When the world gets loud and fast, come back here where peace will last. Every flower, every tree knows exactly how to be. La la la. Oh, oh. Just be.
You came here feeling scattered and stressed, mind racing, thoughts compressed. But look around this quiet place, see the calm wash through your face, grasp beneath the sky above. This is where you learn to love, the silence that lives between each breath, each pause. You see no deadlines here, no urgent calls, just watching how the sunlight falls through branches swaying soft and slow. This is all you need to know, the peace lives in the in-between spaces where you've never been, but now you're here and now you see how simple calm is.
Silent garden we can stay. In the silent garden drift away. No rush, no worry, no need to know. In the silent garden let it go. In the silent garden we can stay. In the silent garden drift away. No rush, no worry, no need to know. In the silent garden let it go. La 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 la. Ooh. La 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 la. Sit with me here in the quiet space where nothing moves too fast and time forgets to chase. La la la. Fade away. Sitting by the window pane, watching hours fade away. Breath slows down to match the rain. Mind finds peace in quiet space. Let the world spin far below, while I rest in what I know. In the solace of stillness, time becomes nothing. Thoughts drift like morning mist over calm water. Here I am home. Here I am home. Pages turn, but words can wait. Focus finds its gentle way. Heartbeats soft, no need to chase. Present moment holds me safe. Let the noise fade far below, while I rest in what I know. In the solace of stillness, time becomes nothing. Thoughts drift like morning mist over calm water. Here I am home. Here I am home. Breathing in, breathing out. Nothing more I need right now. Breathing in, breathing out. This is all I need somehow. In the solace of still.